Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I made over $6,000 in 4 months selling on Mercari. I'm going to share my experience and I'm going to also let you guys in on my tips and tricks for beginners. Okay, so I started Mercari back in June 2018. And when I started, I done all my research up front. I went on YouTube, I looked at videos, I also checked on Facebook groups and Instagram. Any information that I could find about Mercari, that's what I did. And then I went on to the app, I downloaded the app. I read the rules, regulations, terms before I actually created an account. Once I created my account, I was ready to start listing. I just used my iPhone to take my pictures. I use my printer to print my labels. And I use items around my house. Shoes, clothes, purses, kitchen gadgets, whatever I can find. And I just continue to do that. I list every single day. I set a goal each week on how many items I want to list. So once I started selling, I just deposit a certain amount of money into my account so that I can use that money to go out and source and buy more items to resell on Mercari. And so I continue to do that. As you can see, I'm showing all the deposits from starting from June to July, just showing you each week I was depositing money into my account. I'm coming with the receipts. I'm showing you guys that you can make money on Mercari. You don't have to have a lot of experience. I didn't have any. I started out, like I said, June 2018. This is just 4 months of receipts that I'm showing you guys. And then on this page, I'm just showing you completed transactions that I made on Mercari. And I can go into more detail on how I list, what type of items that I sell on Mercari in another video. But you guys, money is to be made online. You know, like I said before, I didn't have any experience. I just did my research up front. And I know I'm a hands-on person. So the only way that I was going to truly figure this online business thing out is for me to actually do it. You know, was it scary at the beginning? Yes, it was. But did I let that stop me? No. So, you know, anyone can do this. Anyone. You just have to have passion for it and have set your mind to it, have goals. And that's all I did, you guys, to make this money. It's money to be made. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. And as far as shipping supplies, I can do another video on that because I didn't spend a whole lot of money on shipping supplies. I went to my local stores like dollar store and stuff like that because they always throw boxes out, and I use those boxes. The post office always have free boxes. I use some of those boxes. So yes, I will have more videos to come on how I sell on Mercari, the items that I list, and just some how-to videos. And maybe that would motivate someone to get started. Like I said today, you know, I came with the receipts. I'm showing you my deposit history. There's money to be made. This is money that I've made. And for my beginners, you know, my number one thing, do your research. You have to do your research. There's plenty of information out here that explains to you how to even get started online, how to even navigate through the app. Also, your photos. Have high quality photos. That's so important. And then your description of your item. Make sure you describe your item to the T. You don't want to give out false information because guess what? You'll get a bad review and you don't want that. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. I hope this video motivated you to get started. If it's anything that I can do on my end, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Like I said, I came with the receipts today. Yes, I did. I made that money. There's money to be made. So you guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.